Hello, Luke Pagka here. I am an artist and now indie game dev currently creating a small point-and-click game called A Weekend Trip. If you can, check the description to wishlist the game on Steam or itch.io. In this devlog, I will be talking about some programming add-ons I learned for this game. As with my previous game, I'm using Unity as the engine, plus the add-on Adventure Creator as I am not versed in coding, so Adventure Creator helps me make a game without knowing much in coding. I also added a link for Adventure Creator in the description if this seems like something you can use as well, or if you just find it interesting. For this game, since there will be a lot of dialogue, I have also added the ink integration. This is so I can easily edit the dialogue and dialogue trees of the game. Ink is a free dialogue engine of sorts by Inkle, the people who made games like Heaven's Vault and Overboard. The idea is that Ink will handle all the dialogue trees, but the integration also works in that the commands for AC that I type in Ink will still work in AC. Also, normally you have to input dialogues in separate action lists in AC, but since I want to easily find and edit dialogue quickly, having one giant text file have all the dialogue will make it easy for me to manage it all. Thank you, by the way, to Graham Hayes from the Adventure Creator forums for making the ink integration for AC. One of the things that it will affect is character portraits. I decided to add character portraits so that there will be more expression when talking to other characters. Since I can also change the character portraits, I thought that will help add a bit more flavor to the game, since the characters won't be voice acted. Adventure Creator actually has a really easy way to change character portraits. Just a simple command within the dialogue line, the character portrait will change. And with the ink integration, I can also change the portraits within ink as well. It's very simple. I just import the different character portraits here in the NPC component, name the expression, and then in ink I type open bracket, expression, colon, the name of the expression, close bracket, in order to tell the engine to use that portrait during this specific dialogue. It sounds very simple to do, but thank you again to Chris Burton who made Adventure Creator for coding all of this so that it would be easy for me to do so. With this ease in using character portraits and dialogue, I was able to focus on writing the dialogue for the characters more. I was mainly inspired by how people are usually more themselves when they are with friends, so I aimed to write the characters to have a specific personality type when they react to certain things. For example, a character with a more stoic personality will react to a dialogue choice differently from a character with a more fiery and chaotic personality. I also took inspiration from games wherein you have a silent protagonist and took note of how they make conversations work even if the main character replies only when the player is given the option to. Hopefully in playing the game, players will see that the simple and conversational dialogue I wrote is a good way to tell the nuanced personalities of each character even in such a short game. And that's it for this devlog. I hope this gives you more insight to what the game is like and lets you see how my mind works in making a game like this. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and until the next one.